Hello children, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope all of you are absolutely fine. Now today, before starting my class, let me inquire, are you people keeping yourselves neat and clean or not? Please let me know. If you are going out after returning, I don't know you people are going out or not, but if you are going out after returning back, please wash your hands and legs properly. Please sanitize your hands before eating, before sitting for studies. Okay, please make it a habit. So you will be in good health always. Okay, this will keep you safe from the hands of germs. See, before starting my class, I am also sanitizing my hands. Okay, now let us begin our maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, fraction. Okay, we are going to start a new chapter, fraction. And one more chapter will be there for your half-yearly examination. I'll tell you, after finishing fraction, we will have one more chapter. I did not decide now. After deciding, I'll tell you. And another important thing is that we are going to have a second round of the worksheets. We are going to give you are going to solve the worksheets like the previous one in a loose sheet. Okay, write the questions and then write the answers and keep the sheet with you very nicely, because after the school will reopen, we are going to collect them. We are going to give you marks. So please, children, please keep the worksheets properly. Okay, now another thing, till chapter exercise 6 we have finished mental maths. Now 7 and 8 is going to be your homework. Okay children, I want to see how are you people doing. I am going to send the answers. Okay, but you people are going to solve the sums alone. So today let us start fractions. What is a fraction? First see what is a fraction. A part of a whole or a group is known as a fraction. You don't have to learn. This is just for you to understand. A part of a whole or a group is known as a fraction. In the following image, the cake has been cut into two halves. See, I have drawn a cake here. This is a cake. And this cake has been exactly divided into two parts. This cake is exactly divided into two different parts. If you cut the cake from the middle, you will get two different parts, two halves actually. So this can be written as, see, 1 by 2. So each half is, that means total number of parts are 2. You will write this below, and if you take one part, then you will write 1. So this is the numerator. This is known as the numerator. This is the number of parts taken. And below, this is called the denominator. That means the total number of parts. Total here are how many parts? 2 parts. Out of which if I take 1, that means half I have taken. Now see again. A quarter is 1/4 of a whole. That is 1 part out of 4 equal parts. This is written as 1 by 4. So children, if the same cake, if I divide it into 4 parts, then each part will be written as 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Because we have divided the cake into 4 parts. So each part will be 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. If I take 1, that means total how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 1 by 4. If I take 2 parts, that means 2 by 4. I have taken 2 parts and total number of parts are 4. So 2 by 4. If I take 3 parts, in the numerator I will write 3 and in the denominator I will write 4. 3 by 4. Because I am taking 3 parts and total number of parts will be written below in the denominator. That means it is 4. Total there are 4 halves. So a fraction is formed by 2 parts, numerator and denominator. A fraction is formed by 2 parts, numerator and denominator. The above one is known as the numerator. The one below it is known as the denominator. Now see in your book. Those who have the book with you, please turn to page number 89. Those who have the book with you, please turn to page number 89. Others, pay attention here. Okay, I'm going to send the snapshots. So a fraction is a part of a whole, I told you. When a whole object is divided into a number of equal parts, then each part is called a fraction. It is written as number of selected parts, that means number of parts you have taken, divided by, below total number of parts taken. See, this is an apple. So, apple is divided into 2 parts. So, each part will be 1 by 2. This is a pizza. It had been divided into 4 parts. So, each part will be 1 by 4. Very easy. This is a water in a glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total number of parts are there. Total number of parts 7. And out of which I have colored 2 parts. So my fraction will be 2 by 7. On top in the numerator, you will write the number of parts taken or the number of parts shaded or the number of parts colored, number of selected parts, and below will be the total number of parts. Total number of parts. Here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts are there. Out of which 2 parts are colored. So the fraction will be 2 by 7. Okay. Next. Halves and 1/2. When an object or collection is divided into 2 equal parts, the equal parts are called halves and each equal part is 1/2. Each is 1/2 and all the equal parts are called halves. Okay, so fraction for 1/2 is 1 by 2. Now take a sheet of paper. Cut it into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts. This is the whole paper and I have cut the paper into 2 equal halves. This is 1/2, this is another half. So each part is called 1/2 of the whole. So each part is 1 by 2. Total there are 2 parts and I have taken 1. Here also the total are 2 parts, I have taken 1. So each part is called 1/2 of the whole. So 2 halves will make a whole. Again see. The rectangular shape in the following has 2 equal parts. This is a rectangle and it is exactly divided into 2 parts. And one part is shaded and one part is not shaded. So 1/2 of it is shaded. So 1/2 is written as 1 by 2. Clear? Next, thirds and 1/3. Equal parts when an object or when a collection is divided into 3 equal parts, then the equal parts are known as the thirds and each equal part is known as 1/3. Same as the first one, 1/3. Same if you take a paper, if you divide it into 3 equal parts, so each part will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. That means 3 parts, 3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. That means total 3/3 is making a whole paper, sheet of paper. Okay, same fourths and 1/4. When an object is divided into 4 equal parts, if you divide a circle into 4 equal parts, each part is known as 1/4. I told you in the beginning only. Each part is 1/4 and the equal parts are called all together is known as fourths. So fraction for 1/4 is 1/4. Fraction for 2/4 is 2/4. Fraction for 3/4 is 3/4 and it will go on. I hope this is clear to you. So let us begin the first exercise. Exercise 6A, page number 92. Take the shapes with 1/3 part shaded. The shapes in which 1/3, that means total there will be 3 parts, and out of the 3 parts only one part will be shaded. One part will be colored. Those shapes we will just put a tick. Okay, those shapes we will just put a tick. See the first one. It is divided into 3 parts, but 2 parts are shaded. So, in the question it is asked, tick the shapes with 1/3 part. With 1/3 part shaded. But here 2/3 are shaded. Will we take this? No. Cross. Here this is divided into 2 equal parts. No. Because we need 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded. No. This will also not go. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. Out of which 2 parts are shaded. 2/4. No. This will also not go. Next, C, E. This will go because see, there are 3 equal parts and 1 part is shaded. And this is what the question is asking. So, I am going to put a tick. Next, 4 parts are there. One part is shaded. No. Again, see, 3 parts are there. 1 part is shaded. Right. 3 parts are there. 1 part is shaded. Right. Next, write the fractional number of the shaded parts. So total 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parts are there? 4. That means I am going to write it below denominator. And out of which 1 is shaded. So what will be my answer? 1/4. Just see it, children. Very easy. Next, 1, 2, 3 parts are there. And out of the 3 parts, 2 parts are shaded. So 2/3. Can you do it alone? I think all of you can do it alone. Please do C, D, E, F, G, H on your own. Next, circle the fractions which show half. Is this showing half? No. This is half, yes. This is half because if you see, the parts are divided exactly equally. They should be equally divided into 2. Then only you can put a tick. Yes, this is no, no, because there are 3 parts and out of 3, 1 is colored. Here there are 4 parts and out of 4, 2 is colored. Yes, this is also half. Total there are 4 and 2 are shaded. Half is shaded, half is not shaded. 2 are shaded, 2 are not shaded. So, this also shows half. Next, color 1/3 in red and 2/3 in green. This you can do it on your own with the color. 1/3 you will color red and 2/3 you will color green. That means 2 parts you will color green, 1 part you will color red. Here also 2 parts you will color green, 1 part red. 2 parts green, 1 part red, and like this. Next, color 3/4 in blue and 1/4 in yellow. All of you will do this. 3/4, that means 1, 2, 3. 3 will be colored in blue and 1 will be colored in yellow. Again, 3 will be colored in blue, 1 will be colored in yellow. All are divided into 4 parts. See? Out of the 4 parts, 3 parts, 3/4. Total there are 4 parts. So 3/4 will be in blue and 1/4. That means 1 portion, 1 part will be colored in yellow. Next, match the fraction with corresponding shaded parts. Total there are 4 paths. 2 paths are shaded. That means 2/4 D, C. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 paths are there. Only one part is shaded. That means 1/4. 1/4. Next, 3 paths are there. 2 paths are shaded. That means 2/3. 2/3. 2/3 also mean 2/3. This is divided into 2 parts. 1/2 is shaded. So 1/2. 4 parts are there. 3 parts are shaded. So 3/4. 3/4. I hope all of you have done it. And in the previous page 6a, 2, 3, 4, 5, the rest of the sums will be your homework. Do it on your own. Okay. Hope it is clear to you. Very easy. Please do it. If you find any problem, I am there to help you always. Please write to me through the comment section or through the parent communication option in the app. I am always there to reply. Okay. No more for today. We are going to meet in the next class again. Please don't forget to do your homework. Stay home, stay away from germs, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay? Enjoy learning. Thank you.